What's the meaning of brewhouse? Brewhouse. Brewhouse.
Brewhouse. Brewhouse. A brewhouse is a facility used for brewing beer, typically consisting of several vessels for various stages of the brewing process. The main vessels in a brewhouse are the mash tun, lauter tun, kettle, and whirlpool. The mash tun is where the malted grains are mixed with hot water to create a sweet liquid called wort. The lauter tun is where the wort is separated from the grain. The kettle is where the wort is boiled with hops to create the desired flavor and bitterness. The whirlpool is where the wort is separated from any remaining solids. The result of using a brewhouse is high-quality, consistent beer that has been carefully crafted using specialized equipment and techniques.